Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the NBT test step by step. First, you need to understand the NBT's structure, which typically includes two main components: academic literacy and quantitative literacy. Next, create a realistic study schedule, dedicating at least 2 to 3 hours per week to each section. Finally, gather all necessary study materials, such as textbooks, online resources, and past papers, to ensure comprehensive preparation. To master the NBT, focus specifically on the academic literacy and quantitative literacy sections. For academic literacy, practice reading comprehension and critical thinking skills. For quantitative literacy, review fundamental concepts like algebra, data interpretation, and basic statistics. Make sure to practice with official NBT sample questions to familiarize yourself with the question formats and time constraints, aiming for at least 3 full practice tests. Optimize your study by employing effective techniques such as active recall and spaced repetition, which significantly boost memory retention. Simulate actual test conditions by completing timed practice sessions, aiming for duration of 3 hours for each section. After each practice, thoroughly review all your mistakes, understanding why you answered incorrectly, and then revisit those specific topics to reinforce your learning. On test day, ensure you are well prepared both mentally and physically. Get at least 8 hours of adequate rest the night before to ensure optimal cognitive function. Eat a nutritious and balanced meal on test day to maintain energy levels throughout the examination. Finally, manage any test anxiety by practicing simple relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, to stay calm and focused during the 3-hour test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.